Hi, we're Emma and Rupert.
And we're converting our medium wheelbase Sprinter, Minnie, into our tiny home on wheels.
Subscribe to our journey from first-time van builders to our travels around Europe,
as we share the highs and lows of van life.
In this video, we get stuck into those pesky bench boxes.
Good morning! So, I have to firstly excuse like me, I've got really bad hay fever. Today is particularly bad. It's been manageable this week, but for some reason today the pollen, grass, seeds, whatever it is really irritating me. So you might have noticed that my van buddy Rupert is not here. He is here, he is on the phone. We've got a lot to do today, so I thought I would just jump in really quickly and do the intro bit on my own, and then if he gets off the phone he can come and join in. To be honest, he doesn't really add anything anyway. He's more there for comedy value than anything. The underslung tank arrived yesterday or the day before. Rupert did the holes in the bottom of the van yesterday for it, so fingers crossed on that one. I'm going to finish off the bench boxes that have honestly been taking me like 1,000 days. Rupert is doing that and that, and can you see him? I don't know if you can see him. He's like over here. He's on the phone. I don't really know what else we're doing. We were supposed to have some electrics arrive, but they haven't arrived, so we're not going to do electrics today. That's it really. As always, thank you so much for watching these videos. I don't know if we're getting any better at them. We try our best. Rupert does the majority of work on the van. I know it doesn't always look like it, but he does. So we kind of have to leave it down to him to pick the camera up and do footage, and he doesn't really do that, but he will complain when there's no videos going out because I have no footage to work with. We share a lot more over on Instagram, so if you are on Instagram, come and say hi. We are at Minnie the Van, and I will leave a little tag here. And that's about it for today. Right, I'm gonna drink my cup of tea in peace while he's still out there gassing away to whoever he's talking to, and then we'll do a little update of what we've been up to.
Time has been so hard on us, my friend. Sun goes down but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what the
Let's get on and do van build. So since we finished the cladding, we have been absolutely agonising over what to do with these end bits here. So the cladding was coming out and it was sort of stopping. You can kind of see here with an open space in between the cladding and the wall. So Rupert spent ages making this lovely flat cladding end. So he did all the carpeting around it and then fixed this into the end. So we're going to have another bit for down here, and the same on the other side. He has tidied it up really, really nicely. Any of the end bits like that we're going to try and do. We also bought some what's it called? I know the word for this one. It's like this stuff. We bought some of this called I just need to get some. We got one in PVC and we were like, we just need to get some what is this called? Like trim! It's called trim. Sorry, trim. Oh my god, how did I forget that as a word? So we are just going to use some of this trim to tidy up the bits that we have down the bottom, and some other bits and pieces. God, what an anticlimax that was.
So we had some footage that we had recorded a little while ago about the bench boxes. I'm just going to splice it into here because I don't know where else to put it and it makes sense in the video. Otherwise it's going to be a massive leap to having the bench boxes painted and you're going to be like, what? So here it is up until go into me cutting and measuring for the middle piece.
You're in my shot. You're in my shot.
Yoo-hoo!
Take two. Okay, so bench boxes. Rupert has already filled in all of the little screw holes with some wood filler, so that has been set and is all dry. And now I am either going to sand down the wood or not bother and just go straight for the paint and hope it looks okay. To be honest, it's probably going to be the second option. Just so we can get cracking and get things done. Oh, pardon me. Rupert is on to doing some wiring. Let's have a look. He's right here. How's the wiring going, Rupert?
Yeah, okay.
What have you got done today?
Ha. Lots. Busy day.
What have you done?
Busy day.
What have you done mostly?
This conduit drawer stuff. Wrapped around there. After getting into a bird's nest.
Didn't go to plan, did it?
Pardon?
Didn't go to plan, did it?
No, not at all. Obviously.
Do you wish you had spent the extra £5 for it to come in a wheel now?
Yeah, but I didn't know this would happen.
Alright, fair enough. Right, what are you boys doing? We'll go and do something. Find something to do. There's plenty of jobs.
Do this, I can have some yard.
Okay, so these are the bench boxes. I have painted, sanded. Haven't done inside because CBA with that, no one's going to see it anyway. But we have decided, and I can't remember why, but there is a good reason why, I just can't remember why. But we're going to just fill this little bit here with a different piece of wood. Okay, so I have clamped her up. We're still working by the 3.3mm gap with the button so that we get that nice straight cut, and let's hope that this is right, because Rupert just said to me, oh, do you want me to double check your measurements? And I was like, no, I don't. So hopefully it's right, because otherwise could be in big trouble. Basically, if this isn't right, tough luck, because this is the only bit we've got left. So I'm taking a big risk, cracking on regardless, and not consulting with the chief carpenter, or the site foreman, or the pain in the ass. You pick.
what it is yet.
You order secret things without me knowing.
Shall I open it? I'm opening it.
It's a sponge! What is that?
Haha!
What is it?
What is it?
It's a toolkit! It's I don't know what that is. What is it then?
The pedal lock box. Goes
Pedal
over the
lock
pedals.
box.
So somebody can't steal your van.
Who suggested this?
To be fair, Victor VW camper crafter.
I'm gonna tag him. Gonna tag him in a post on IG.
I can't bloody open the thing.
Well, that's pretty good then, isn't it?
Oh, I've done it. That's pretty good then, isn't it? Oh, that's pretty good then, isn't it?
Wow! Try coming to get us now, thieves. Next thing.
Shall I see if it fits on the van? Or I need to open
No,
it?
you need to open the rest.
On ye fuse box.
Fuse box!
Blade fuse box. New one with a common source point. Flooring samples.
Oh, my domain.
Oh goodness. I
Nice.
wonder if we could get build the whole floor out of samples. Why not?
Which one is your favourite? Oh, I like that one. I think that's too dark.
That probably is, yeah. Oh, I don't
That's
know.
too yellow.
Yeah, it's a bit yellowy, isn't it?
Quite like that.
Yeah, it's bamboo.
That's nice.
Have a
I
look
just
at
think these
though.
haven't got enough grain on them. I like this one. What do you think, guys? It's quite nice. Oh, deliveries! That's the grand reveal, Rupert. Oh.
What do you mean, oh?
Doesn't fit. Oh, wait.
You have that somewhere accessible where you can see it.
Basically, I'm going to build a small cover over that and then it'll be mounted on that.
It does fit.
Does fit. Well done, Emma!
Yay!
Let's come and see. Thanks for that.
God, I'm such a good gal.
What have you done?
Did it all on my own. And it fits.
Oh, that looks perfect.
What do you think? What do you think, Luke? More painting him.
Fuse box.
I know.
Fuse box.
Well done, Emma. You're great.
No matter what they call it,